first thing, we are the only company in the northern India right now which provides the commercial bikes. So they are all yellow number plates.
And the most important part is the legal system.
गुड इवनिंग चैनल। अभी हम हैं दो स्पेशल डिलीवरी के लिए, दैट इज़ फॉर पिक माई मोटो। ये बाइक हम अपने लिए नहीं खरीद रहे हैं, आपके लिए खरीद रहे हैं, वो बताएंगे बाद में ब्लॉग के। और अभी मेरे साथ हैं अमन ऐसे बाइक्स हैं, और हम ये क्या क्या पर्पज़ के लिए हैं, तो ओवर टू अमन।
बेसिकली अभी ये दो मोटरसाइकिल हैं जिसमें से एक रोड ग्लाइड है और एक पैन अमेरिका है। पैन अमेरिका जो हमारी चलेगी एडवेंचर साइड सेक्टर में, और जो रोड ग्लाइड है वो हम लॉन्ग टूरिंग्स के लिए यूज़ करेंगे। रोड ग्लाइड में आगे स्पीकर सिस्टम, नेविगेशन सिस्टम सब इंटीग्रेटेड आएगा, और पैन हम डेडिकेटली एडवेंचर है,
अच्छा,
तो वो उसी पर्पज़ के लिए यूज़ होगी।
तो बाइक्स को अभी हम थोड़ी देर में देखेंगे, ठीक है, जैसे ही वो अनरैप होता है या अनमास्क होता है बाइक। बट हाँ, उससे पहले बाकी अंदर के भी शॉट्स लेंगे और थोड़ा सा हम बात करेंगे पुनीत के आने के बाद कि पिक माई मोटो, व्हाट इज़ पिक माई मोटो एंड व्हाट इज़ द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ पिक माई मोटो। सो टाइम एंड अगेन हम डिलीवरीज के बारे में सुनते आए हैं पिक माई मोटो की, बट आई एम फर्स्ट टाइम इन्वाइटेड फॉर पिक माई मोटो का डिलीवरी, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई थॉट ऑफ कवरिंग इट। बट जो कॉन्सेप्ट है बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है। आप लोगों को जब पता चलेगा डेफिनेटली यू विल फील कि हाँ यार, ये तो मुझे भी चाहिए था।
Hello everyone, I'm Puneet Kaushik. I'm a pharmacist by education and a drug regulatory affairs specialist as per my master's degree. And then I started in the field of pharmaceutical consulting into health economic outcome research. I'm working into this now from almost 12 years. Have seen different companies including consulting, pharma companies. And the latest venture I am into, along with my consulting work, is the renting the bikes. So, which is Pick My Moto. So this is about me. I love riding in all the bikes, different cars, sports cars and all. So I think that makes me, well connected to this entire system.
So I'm Dr. Randeep Maan. I'm the director of Ranbaj Hospital and Ranbaj Group of Dental Centers. And riding is my passion. And from there we got an idea. Since I was riding, Puneet was riding, and we wanted that people should be able to get the things at their doorstep. And the most important part is the legal system.
तो अभी काफ़ी सारी, जैसे मैंने बात की है डिलीवरीज के बारे में, सुना था पिक माई मोटो का, एंड आई हैव बीन हियरिंग अबाउट लॉट ऑफ बाइक्स इन देयर, आई वुड से प्लेटर टू सर्व टू कस्टमर्स, बट एग्जैक्ट कंसेप्ट मुझे नहीं पता था। तो यहाँ पे मेरे साथ पुनीत हैं और डॉक्टर साहब हैं, डॉक्टर मान। सो विल बी गिविंग ओवर टू देम एंड दे विल बी स्पीकिंग अबाउट दिस कंसेप्ट। तो सर, पहला क्वेश्चन आप लोगों से डायरेक्ट जो कि शूट कर रहा हूँ, व्हाट इज़ पिक माई मोटो?
So Pick My Moto is an opportunity for our fellow riders to pick up any elite bike, super bikes, try them and get a good experience, come back, and then they would pick the bike for themselves. Second thing is that taking the bike to different places, explore them and enjoy their journey, get good memories, which we call the golden memories, and that is what the thing what Pick My Moto is providing.
Exactly. I mean, it all started when Doc Saab, started picking one bike, second, third,
Right.
and he was so fond of bikes that it was like, can we keep all the type of bikes? No, right? So we also thought that even maybe he kept like 3 bikes, 4 bikes at a time also. But then the concept came that there are other people who have one bike, or maybe not even one. Some is traveling from abroad, from different state. They want to explore this place with another bike, or maybe a bike because they don't have a bike riding in this state. So to enable them to ride, we both came up with this kind of an idea that let us get good bikes together. Harley, BMWs and all. We started with BMWs, now we are into Harleys. Looking at the demand, it's Punjab, so you know how it is, right? So we have some beautiful, amazing Harley Davidsons now in the group, and we are really looking forward that any person who wants to ride in the state, neighboring states as well, the idea will get bigger, I'm sure. People have the machine, have the motor, and so they can pick that motor and create the wonderful memories which Dr. mentioned.
How quick is it to get the bike from you guys? Like, for example, somebody is traveling from abroad, maybe some down south. How quick it is? Like, I land up in Chandigarh. How fast you can give me the bike?
So there are two numbers on Insta and on our website and all. If
Right.
we are actually just a phone call away, then the employee would do the needful.
Okay.
You know, everything will be taken care by the employee, and you will be delivered the bike where you want, whether the airport or a railway station,
Okay.
or maybe the hotel.
Okay.
Right, that's it. But yes, we are coming up with the app very soon.
Okay.
But we are just trying to hit a particular number and then
Right.
we'll launch that.
Right. So Puneet, if I have to ask you a simple question that के आपके कस्टमर कौन है? Who is your customer? How do you say कि हाँ ये मेरा कस्टमर है? The plethora of people are taking bike on rent, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is my customer. This is I'm targeting to.
We won't limit it to any one person actually,
Uh-huh.
one type of person.
Huh,
It all
right.
depends on the reason,
Right.
right? Say I'm having a, probably say, just for example, if I have a BMW
Right.
adventure bike, I
Right.
can do adventures.
Right.
But I want to take my girlfriend for a date, right?
Right.
I would prefer the fat boy.
Right.
And
Correct.
similarly, if a person has a fat boy, he wants to do some adventures,
Right.
hardcore adventures.
Right.
He needs an adventure bike.
Correct.
And we have that as well.
Right.
So we have a bike for every occasion.
Right.
And if some person already has a wonderful bike,
Right.
but doesn't suit the occasion which is upcoming,
Right.
he needs to call Pick My Moto. That's it.
So guys, you saw you're planning for a long ride, adventure trip, or you want to flatter your girlfriend. He has the solution for everything. So today also we are picking up different kind of bikes. So मैंने ये बोला था ना कि आज हम बाइक खरीद रहे हैं पर अपने लिए नहीं, आपके लिए, right पुनीत?
Absolutely. It's for the riders
Right.
across the country, across the world.
राइट सो एक आई थिंक लास्ट कंक्लूडिंग क्वेश्चन होगा मेरा, वो ये रहेगा कि पुनीत क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज़ इसमें साथ साथ हम प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, मतलब बीइंग रेंटल बाइक रेंटल्स, आर यू प्रोवाइडिंग सम बैकअप्स ऑल्सो, और व्हेन द ग्रुप ट्रिप्स आर यू आर ऑल्सो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, उसके बारे में क्या है? क्योंकि लेट सपोज मैं कहीं, हमारा कंट्री इतना बड़ा है and people rally towards north while the riding season is there, right? And at that point of time I also might be not looking for motorcycle only but fellow people also be around. So do you conduct some kind of rides?
Yeah. I'll say some things and maybe then Dr. Saab can
Yeah,
add
sure,
as well.
sure.
But I would say we not only provide the bikes. Another thing, first thing, we are the only company in the northern India right now which provides the commercial bikes. So they are all yellow number plates. First
Okay.
thing. We have a commercial insurance.
Okay.
We provide some riding gears as well, safety gears at least for
Right.
the riders, the basic
Right.
ones.
Right.
And then apart from the bike and the bike riding gears,
Right.
we have a backup vehicle. We have 2 trucks right now, 4x4.
Right.
And they have all the basic safety things like medical kit, oxygen cylinders.
Okay.
If you are, if the backup vehicle is with you and you are in a remote area, you can cook Maggie, you can cook some stuff on the barbecue,
Sure.
tea, everything, coffee. So
Right.
everything would be there.
Good.
And then it can mount the bikes.
अच्छा. Okay.
And that generic kit, the Stanley kit, which is available for most of the bikes, is also available in the backup.
Okay.
The driver is also being trained so that he can take care of the basic things like a puncture, replacing the tire
Sure.
and all.
Sure.
So that's the additional thing.
Right.
And connecting the coming rider to the community, yes. So there is no one who doesn't know Dr. Maan. He's the hero of the Upper Mustang right now.
Right.
So if someone is coming to the north part of India and they do not want to ride alone, Pick My Moto is there. We'll connect you to the best of the riders company. And if not, and we have time, we would love to accompany the riders.
So I'm Dr. Randeep Maan. I'm the director of Ranbaj Hospital and Ranbaj Group of Dental Centers. And riding is my passion. And from there we got an idea. Since I was riding, Puneet was riding, and we wanted that people should be able to get the things at their doorstep. And the most important part is the legal system. And for that legal system, the government of India started a policy in 1997 called a rent a bike scheme. So under that, there is a license called rent a bike license. And now with that license, Pick My Moto, the idea of Pick My Moto was conceived, and finally it has realized. And with that, we started off bringing bikes from different brands under this umbrella. And now people are coming to pick up the bikes and go to different terrains.
Right.
And trying the bikes for their choices. So ultimately the thing is that when we talk about the legal system, for example, recently we had clients from US Embassy. So the first question they asked, do you have anything legal tomorrow? There is an insurance thing. Can you cover that? I said, yeah, sure, because since they are yellow plate bikes, so you can rent them out, and all the insurance is commercial. Tomorrow there will be no issue with anything. You are taken care of by the insurance company itself. So that is something which is bringing more and more elite clients and people from who are professionals or the technocrats. Even some bureaucrats have picked up these bikes. So that is which gives motivates us more and more to bring in more bikes, because now it's like a rocking business.
Correct.
So I would request all the people who are watching this vlog from Sambhav to please contact us, and we are there to serve you.
Definitely, और मैं I'll be leaving the contact in the description, and it will be showing up in the link as well, and how to contact Pick My Moto. And definitely it's going to be a next level experience यार. सब कुछ आपको एक पैकेज में राइडिंग गियर से लेके एक बाइक, बैकअप ट्रक्स एंड देन कनेक्टिंग विद द कम्युनिटी ऑल्सो. एंड दे हैव वेरियड बाइक्स. लाइक आपको किसी भी लेवल का बाइक चाहिए, आपको चाहिए क्रूजर चाहिए, आपको ADV चाहिए, दे हैव एवरीथिंग अंडर द बेल्ट विच दे हैव. काट दो इसमें.
इनको एक्चुअली बड़ा
केक कटेगा, सब में बटेगा. थैंक यू सो मच.
चलो
अब ये बताओ,
देखो भाजी, आओ जी, आओ.
आप कौन सा चला रहे हो?
बाइक देख के आए.
I have many friends. My best friend is Surbi. Surbi gives me discount. Discount is equal to Surbi. Surbi discount. Surbi. Therefore, shoes discount, kit discount, bike discount.
जब मैं बड़ा होगा मैं
सुरभि बनूंगा.
फ्लैट बाइक खरीदूंगा ना मैं, तो मैं सुरभि के पास आऊंगा. मैं कहूँगा सुरभि डिस्काउंट दो. मैं पहले आया था ना, सुरभि ने डिस्काउंट नहीं दिया, मैंने GS ले लिया. तभी मैंने GS
अगली बार आएंगे दिखाएंगे.
तभी मैंने GS ले लिया. तभी दैट वाज एन एक्साइटिंग डिलीवरी, जैसा कि आपने देखा. और पिक माई मोटो जैसा मैं रिकमेंड भी करूँगा इनका कंसेप्ट सुन के, और जो प्लेटर ऑफ बाइक्स विच दे हैव और द गैमेट ऑफ सिलेक्शंस दे हैव अंडर देयर बेल्ट राइट नाउ. I think you should consider the bikes, right? They've got like cruisers, they've got super tourers, they've got ADV tourers, and you'll name the bike, kind of bike they have. They've picked up latest two bikes, which are Pan Am and the Street Glide, red one and the black one, which you saw. And all in all, vlog अच्छा रहा. And we had good interactions with both the, I would say, partners of the business. And we'll be back with another episode of a bike ride, or maybe a product review, or some interesting concept. Till then, bye bye, and stay tuned for Freedom Films.